One of the biggest fears you might have before moving to Panama sounds almost ridiculous when you say it out loud. What happens if I need something from Amazon? Seriously, people worry about healthcare. They worry about residency. They worry about banking. And then right before they move, they suddenly panic and ask, but how am I going to get my protein powder, my vitamins, my replacement laptop charger? If you live in the US, Amazon feels almost like a utility. Click a button today, package arrives tomorrow. Panama works differently, but it still works. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how online shopping works in Panama, how long it takes, what it costs, and why Amazon becomes a non-issue much faster than you might expect. Welcome to the Panama Podcast, from dreaming to doing. I'm your host, Melissa Darnay. If you want insider tips on living, investing, and having a blast in Panama, go to choosepanama.com and snag your free copy of Panama Uncorked. Number 5, yes, most expats still shop on Amazon. Let's start with the question everyone wants answered. Can you use Amazon in Panama? Absolutely. I order from Amazon every single week, and so do thousands of other expats living here. Over the years, I've ordered everything from electronics and camera equipment to supplements, pet supplies, kitchen gadgets, office equipment, and replacement parts that simply weren't available locally. And that's exactly what most expats do. You don't stop using Amazon when you move to Panama. You simply change how it gets to you. That's the real story. Number 4, mail forwarding services. A few years ago, almost every expat used a mail forwarding company. Today, you have more options. Amazon now ships many products directly to Panama, and I've personally had packages delivered right to my front door. The catch? Not everything qualifies. As you're shopping, Amazon will tell you whether an item can be shipped directly to Panama. Sometimes international shipping is free. Sometimes you'll pay shipping. Sometimes you'll pay shipping plus import fees. It really depends on the product, the price, the seller, and whatever promotions Amazon is running at the time. For items that don't qualify for direct shipping, mail forwarding companies like Mailboxes, etc., Airbox, Fastbox, and others help you get what you want. Those companies give you a U.S. address, usually in Miami. Amazon ships your package there, and the forwarding company brings it into Panama. You can pay a small monthly fee, like around $30 a month for a monthly account, but you can also pay by weight. Air freight typically runs about $3 to $4 per pound, depending on the company and service level. But here's a tip many newcomers don't know. For larger or heavier items, many forwarding companies also offer ocean freight. It's slower, taking 3 to 6 weeks instead of 3 to 5 days, but the cost can be dramatically lower. If you're ordering furniture, exercise equipment, large appliances, or multiple boxes at once, ocean shipping can save you a substantial amount of money. After a while, you develop a simple system. If Amazon can ship it directly for a reasonable price, great. If not, send it through your Miami box. And if it's big, heavy, or bulky, take a look at ocean freight before you click Buy Now. That's how most experienced expats do it in Panama. Number 3, online shopping takes more planning. One of the first things you'll learn in Panama is that Amazon's next day shipping is no longer a lifestyle. It's a memory. You're not going to wake up, decide you need something at 9 a.m., and have it arrive before dinner. Instead, you'll start thinking a little further ahead. Need vitamins? Order them before you're down to your last 3 capsules. Need a replacement charger? Order it before your current one is being held together with electric tape and wishful thinking. Most shipments arrive in about a week, depending upon the service and customs processing. And honestly, after a few months, you stop thinking about it. It just becomes part of your life. Number 2, more things are available locally than you might expect. One of the biggest misconceptions about Panama is that you'll have to import everything. That's simply not true. You can buy televisions at places like Panaphoto. You can buy appliances at Rainco. You can buy groceries at Reba Smith, Super 99, and dozens of other stores. Whatever category you need, it's here. The reality is that most expats eventually develop a hybrid strategy. You buy everyday necessities in Panama and use Amazon for specialty products, favorite brands, supplements, and hard-to-find items. That's the sweet spot. If you've ever found yourself wondering things like, can I get Amazon? Can I get my medications? Can I get decent internet? You're exactly why I created this channel. Because moving to Panama isn't just about buying real estate. It's about understanding what everyday life actually looks like once you get here. If that's the kind of information you're looking for, hit subscribe and join us on the next adventure. Number 1, the biggest adjustment isn't shipping, it's expectations. The funny thing is that people spend months worrying about Amazon before they move. Then when they get here and realize that Amazon wasn't really the issue was expectations. In the US, we've become accustomed to instant gratification. Need something? Click. Need it faster? Click again. Living in Panama teaches you something different. You learn to plan. You learn to anticipate. You learn that not everything needs to happen immediately. Because while Panama may not always be as fast as the US, it often feels a whole lot less stressful. And that's one of the reasons people stay. If you're considering buying real estate in Panama, schedule a free consultation with my team at choosepanama.com/contact. Whether you're looking for a beachfront condo, a retirement home, an investment property, or a mountain retreat in Boquete, we can help you identify the right opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. We're a licensed real estate brokerage specializing in helping English-speaking buyers purchase property throughout Panama. Because we've helped so many clients just like you successfully make the move, we can also connect you with trusted resources for residency, banking, insurance, legal services, and relocation logistics. Find the right property first, then we'll help you navigate everything else. Thanks for joining me. See you in Panama.